Welcome to the thrilling world of RC boats in 2024, where innovation meets excitement on the water. As technology continues to advance, so do the capabilities and performance of remote-controlled boats. In this dynamic landscape, enthusiasts are treated to an array of options that offer unparalleled speed, agility, and realism. Whether you're a seasoned hobbyist or a newcomer eager for adventure, the best RC boats of 2024 deliver an unforgettable experience. These cutting-edge vessels boast state-of-the-art features such as advanced propulsion systems, precise control mechanisms, and durable construction materials, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. From sleek racing models designed for adrenaline-fueled competitions to meticulously crafted scale replicas that capture the essence of iconic watercraft, there's a perfect RC boat for every enthusiast. Join us as we dive into the world of the best RC boats of 2024, where innovation meets passion, and every journey on the water promises excitement and thrills beyond compare. Traxxas Spartan SR. The Traxxas Spartan SR is the epitome of speed, performance, and innovation in the world of RC boats. Packed with cutting-edge features and designed for maximum thrills, the Spartan SR promises an adrenaline-fueled experience on the water like no other. At a glance, the Spartan SR's $450 price tag may seem like a bargain, but don't let that fool you. This new RC boat is a powerhouse of performance. With a top speed of over 50 miles per hour, the Spartan SR tears across the water with unmatched intensity. From the moment you pull the trigger, its VXL6S marine power system unleashes a surge of power, propelling the boat forward with breathtaking acceleration. But speed is just one part of the Spartan SR's appeal. Boasting a deep VABS hull and razor-sharp handling, this RC boat delivers precision control and stability even at high speeds. Whether you're executing tight turns or blasting through choppy waters, the Spartan SR handles with confidence and finesse. One of the standout features of the Spartan SR is its self-righting capability, providing reassurance to boaters of all skill levels. With the ability to quickly recover from flips or capsizes, you can push the limits without hesitation, knowing that the Spartan SR has your back. Additionally, the Spartan SR is built to last, with a durable ABS hull, stainless steel trim tabs, and high-performance components that can withstand the rigors of intense RC boating. With features like adjustable bunk brackets and a fold-down trailer jack stand, transporting and storing your Spartan SR is a breeze. In conclusion, the Traxxas Spartan SR sets a new standard for RC boats in 2024. ProBoat Recoil 2 18-inch. The ProBoat Recoil 2 18-inch brings the thrill of high-speed RC boating to a smaller, more affordable package without compromising on performance or style. With a price at $420, this compact deep V boat packs a punch, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced hobbyists alike. Drawing inspiration from its larger counterpart, the Recoil 2 18-inch inherits the easy operation and advanced self-righting capabilities that made the Recoil series a hit among RC boating enthusiasts. With its factory-installed Spectrum brushless power system, this mini rocket ship reaches speeds of 25+ miles per hour, ensuring adrenaline-fueled excitement on any local pond or small lake. The inclusion of the Spectrum SLT3 transmitter with a dedicated self-righting button adds an extra layer of convenience and safety, allowing users to quickly recover from wipeouts and keep the action going without interruption. Despite its smaller size, the Recoil 2 18-inch doesn't skimp on style. ProBoat has partnered with Heatwave Sunglasses and Shreddy to offer two eye-catching, officially licensed trim scheme options that ensure this mini boat stands out on the water. Everything needed to hit the water is included in the box, from the dependable Spectrum radio system to the Smart 3S 1300 mAh LiPo battery and S120 USB-C smart charger for quick and easy recharging. Additionally, a boat stand is provided for convenient display and maintenance. Compact and portable, the Recoil 2 18-inch is designed to go wherever adventure calls. Whether it's a local pond or a small lake, this deep V-boat guarantees big fun in a mini package, making it a must-have for anyone looking to experience the excitement of RC boating. ProBoat Jetstream Jet Boat. The ProBoat Jetstream Jet Boat is the epitome of high-octane RC boating designed for fearless adventurers and thrill seekers. With a price at $550, this 1/6 scale ready-to-run powerhouse brings the excitement of full-size jet boating to the RC world, offering unparalleled versatility and performance in rough waters. Engineered for ultimate durability and maneuverability, the 24-inch Jetstream is built to conquer any challenge thrown its way. From whitewater rapids to shallow streams, this RC jet boat is ready to tackle the roughest conditions with ease. Thanks to its innovative jet pump propulsion system with a reverse gate, the Jetstream offers unparalleled control and agility, allowing for quick braking and precise maneuvering. Powered by a high-performance water-cooled brushless system, the Jetstream delivers exhilarating speeds and unmatched muscle for navigating even the most demanding waterways. Its sturdy ABS main hull and armor-plated underside ensure resilience against impacts, while the replaceable aluminum wear ring adds further durability for worry-free bashing sessions. Choose from 2 officially licensed liveries, each featuring realistic details such as a roll cage, full cockpit, and LED lighting bars for added immersion. Whether you're a seasoned RC boater looking to push the limits or a newcomer eager for adventure, a ProBoat Jetstream offers an unrivaled experience that will leave you craving more. Equipped with a high-quality Spectrum SLT3 radio and electronics, the Jetstream ensures dependable control and precision handling, while optional upgrades allow for enhanced durability and full smart telemetry integration. So, whether you're tearing through rapids or launching off-boat wakes, the ProBoat Jetstream Jet Boat is ready to take your RC boating experience to the next level. ProBoat Sonicwake V2. The ProBoat Sonicwake V2 emerges as a formidable contender in the realm of RC boats, delivering a fusion of speed, control, and innovation. With a price at $420, this sleek vessel is designed to break through choppy waters with ease while offering an exhilarating experience for boating enthusiasts of all levels. At the heart of the Sonicwake V2 lies its self-righting hull design, a feature that sets it apart from the competition. Capable of flipping the boat back upright in seconds, this ensures uninterrupted thrills on the water, even in the event of a mishap. Unlike other boats, the self-righting mechanism operates efficiently without the need for external power, providing added peace of mind. Powered by a water-cooled 4-pole 1900 kV brushless motor, the Sonicwake V2 achieves speeds exceeding 50 miles per hour, delivering an adrenaline-pumping performance that will leave enthusiasts craving for more. Paired with the Spectrum 120-amp BL Marine ESC, this boat offers extreme power and responsiveness, allowing for precise control even at high velocities. Moreover, the Sonicwake V2 boasts upgraded hardware, including larger turn fins, adjustable trim tabs, and a larger propeller strut, enabling fine-tuning to optimize performance on the water. The inclusion of a sealed canopy with locking threaded thumb screws ensures easy access to the interior while keeping the hull dry and protected. With its dual water pickup system and clean interior layout, the Sonicwake V2 prioritizes functionality and durability, ensuring that cool, clean water is circulated efficiently to maintain optimal performance of the electronics. Additionally, the SLT radio system provides flexibility for users to upgrade to their preferred Spectrum radio without the need for a separate receiver. In essence, the ProBoat Sonicwake V2 embodies the perfect balance of speed, agility, and reliability, making it a must-have for RC boating enthusiasts seeking an unparalleled experience on the water. Deerc 2104. The Deerc 2104 is a high-performance brushless RC boat that delivers extreme speed, control, and excitement on the water. With a price at $110, this sleek vessel is perfect for racing enthusiasts and hobbyists seeking an adrenaline-fueled experience like no other. Powered by a potent 2,850 kV brushless motor, the Deerc 2104 can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, providing the thrill of high-speed racing while maintaining precise control. Its efficient water cooling system ensures optimal performance and longevity, even during intense racing sessions. It is equipped with an independent, smart ESC, 11.1 volts 3S high-capacity battery, and high-torque digital servo. This RC boat delivers responsive steering, full throttle control, and step-less speed regulation, allowing for effortless maneuverability and thrilling racing action. The Deerc 2104 features a self-righting design and 180-degree capsize recovery function, ensuring fearless navigation through challenging winds and waves. Additionally, the Auto Demo feature enables the boat to perform automatic driving stunts in a perfect tow shape, adding an extra element of excitement to your racing experience. Constructed with high-quality materials, including a completely waterproof hull, the Deerc 2104 is built to withstand rough conditions and extreme racing environments, ensuring durability and reliability over time. Moreover, features such as low battery and weak signal alarms provide added safety and peace of mind during your water journeys. With its 2.4 GHz radio system and bright LED lights illuminating the boat's path, the Deerc 2104 offers non-interference racing and enhanced visibility, even in low-light conditions. Whether you're a seasoned RC enthusiast or a newcomer to the hobby, the Deerc 2104 makes the perfect gift, offering hours of entertainment and excitement for outdoor adventures on the water.